Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to continue with Unit 306, understanding the principles, practices, and legislation for the termination and connection of conductors, cables, and cords in electrical systems. Now, this also remains part of Outcome 1, and this is Session 2, Safe Isolation. Understand the principles, regulatory requirements, and procedures for completing the safe isolation of electrical circuits and complete electrical installations. Okay. Now, a lot of this you should be familiar with already, so I'm not going to spend too much time trying to talk you through this. Okay. And at level 3, this should be familiar to you already. Be able to specify or undertake the correct procedure for completing safe isolation. Okay. And here's your definition. Okay. And here's your element of safe working practice. Now, this matters a great deal. Okay. So there's no ifs or buts about this whatsoever. It gives you the relevant steps in regards to whether you should be working live or dead. And it makes it quite clear what the process should be. So follow it. It is in your interest and in the interest of your clients. And here's the specification on the actions you should take in each case, okay? Okay. And here's your dead working procedures, okay? Live working procedures, okay? Let me just get that back a bit. And again, remember that these regulations may change or they may alter or they may have amendments made to them. So it is in your interest to stay up to date in regards to the 18th edition. And also to bear in mind that there will be following additions in regards to the IEE regulations. And you need to be up to date with each one in turn. And here it specifies the circumstances which you may find yourself in that you need to work live in. So you need to apply the relevant regulations to your situation at that point in time. I don't need to spend too much time on telling you what you need, identification of circuits and so forth. That you should be familiar with this now. You're at level 3. It is your job to understand and interpret the information and to do your own work, groundwork and research to improve your own knowledge. And be aware that these has since been updated. Isolation using the main switch or distribution board, etc. Okay. And neutral conductors, okay, that's for you to read for yourselves. You don't need me to be interpreting that for you. You're big boys now, and girls as well. And whoever else you may be. And whatever else you may be. As not to discriminate against anyone. Okay? Nothing for me to say here much. You are familiar with this stuff now. You would have been using it now for some time. Okay? Process of safe isolation, and this is the idea that the process you should be following at all times. There is no excuse whatsoever for not following a safe isolation process. None. We want you to be going home when you come out to work. We'll go back to your girlfriends and whatever else, or your wives at home. Okay? I hope that you don't have to be calling me, coming out to visit your girlfriends or wives, because I would be very disappointed. And again, you need to answer the questions as well, okay? That is part of the process. Answer the questions. It prepares you for your online assessment. Okay, now I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to continuing my lessons with you. Have a good day. Bye bye.